How to fix can't like videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks, and in this video we are going to teach you how to fix can't like videos on TikTok. Let's start the video without any delay. Let's see the condition on why we can't like the videos on TikTok. If you visited to someone's profile and watched a video and kept liking the video for too many times, your account can be deactivated for 3 to 4 hours. This is because TikTok will consider your activity as abnormal or think you as a bot. After 3 to 4 hours, if your account isn't reactivated, then your account will have been blocked by TikTok for 24 hours. Wait for 24 hours, and even if the TikTok hasn't been fixed, try uninstalling your TikTok and install it again. To do so, first of all, close the app. Now long tap on the app. Navigate to app info. Tap on uninstall and press on OK. Now reinstall TikTok app. Re-log in your account and you will be able to use TikTok normally and like the videos. By following these methods, you can fix your can't like videos app on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more helpful tutorial videos.